is day 33 for solving problem of the day from GFG. Let's look at today's problem. Okay, so given two strings A and B, find the minimum number of times A has to be repeated such that B is the substring of it. Okay, if no such string exists, return -1. Now let's take these examples to understand the problem. Okay, so what the question is saying is that we have given two strings. Okay, one is ABCD, second is CD ABCD AB. Now what I have to do is I have to check if A contains the string B or not, that is if B is a substring of A or not. Okay, now A does not contain the string B, right? Now what can I do is I can repeat the string A 2 times also. So then what that does mean, is if I repeat the string A 2 times, it will become ABCD and again ABCD. Does this string contains B? No, this string does not contains B. Now what I can do is so this is A, this is my, you can say this is my A. I repeat it 2 times. So if I repeat it 3 times, then the string will become like ABCD, again ABCD, then again ABCD, right? 3 times A. This whole is a string. Does this string contain the string B? Yes, this string contains the string B. Here is the CD, ABCD, AB. Okay, this is the string. So our answer is actually 4, because after 3 repetitions I got the string this which contains B, so I will return 3. So if after n repetitions I got that my now the string which I have arrived is containing B, then I will return n. Okay, so if after n repetition I got a string which contains B, so n will be my answer. Now see, one case is that if after n repetitions my final string, suppose S, it contains the string B, then as S is containing B, S have all the characters included in B. B has the characters A, B, C and D, right? So if S contains B, S must have the characters A, B, C, D. S has the characters A, B, C, D, right? Now how the string S is formed? It is formed by repeating A, right? Again and again and again. Now if A does not have any of the characters that B contains, then I can never reach to the string S which contains the characters of B. S is formed by B by using A, right? So A has to have all the characters, that is A, B, C, D, because we are getting the string S from A. I am repeating A again and again, right? So A must have all the characters of B, right? Only then I will repeat the string A and I will get a final string S which contains B. Now if the case is that there is a character which is not present in A but in B, so this is our example 2 actually. In that case we have no answer. Here is AB, here is our string CAB. Now you do repetition how many number of times you want. You are gonna never reach to a string S which contains B. Why? Because A does not have the character C. A does not have C, right? So you are gonna repeat this, you will get only the character C and B, but not C. But to contain the string B, the string must contain C, character C. but the string is not never gonna contain C, because it is formed, the string S is gonna contain B if it has the character C, but S is formed by A and A does not contain C, right? So we will never reach to an result actually. So in that case we are going to return -1. Okay, so it's a pretty simple thing. What we are going to do, we are going to keep a string S or str equal to A. We will check if the present string contains B or not. If it contains the string B, I will return the count. Here is the count variable, which is 0, and this is my string, which is gonna containing, or let me say it is, so this is my S. Okay, initially S equal to A. If S contains B, then we will just return count plus 1. Okay, so if it contains B, I will return count plus 1, because A is presenting one repetition of A, right? So if the string S is not containing B, what I will do, sorry, S here, I will do S equal to S plus A, that is A. Now again I will check if now my S contains B or not. If S contains B, I will return count plus 1. Okay, or you can update the count in the beginning and return count. That we will do in the code part. So the main thing is to say is that what we are going to do, we'll check that if our S contains B or not. If S contains B, then we will just return count. Okay, if it does not contains B, so we will just keep updating S by S equal to S plus A, right? And in the initial part I will do just count plus plus. Now S is A initially, which is ABCD, and B is CD, ABCD, B, AB. So A does not contain B, right? So we will do count plus plus. So count is here, it updated by 1, and my S is updated by ABCD, right? So this is my new S. And I will again check. So after checking, I am just increasing the count. Does my S contains B? No. Again update the S. So it will be ABCD, ABCD, ABCD. Increase the counter. Does my string contains B now? Does my string S contain B now? Yes. Now it is containing the B. So return count. So return this count. So here is our answer, 3. Okay. And if the count is never returned, that means we never reach to the answer, right? So in that case we will return -1. So that is the simple thing, and we will just keep doing S equal to S plus A until we got a length of 10,000, suppose. Okay, or you can use 100 also, length 1000, because you have to keep a condition on the length of the string. It can be an infinite string, the string S plus A. So what I'm gonna do, creating S, which is initially A, and my count, let's do it new string A, count as 0. So while my S length is less than 100, suppose, I will initially do count plus plus, then check if my S contain B or not. If it does not if it contains B, return count. Okay. Else I have to just update my string S. If it never return the count, that means we never got the string, right? So we will return -1. Let's run this. S contains, okay, capital. Yeah, now submit this. Okay, let's do this by 1000. Now submit this. Okay. uh, let's do this. Okay, so we are done. I hope you liked the video. If you do, then like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.